Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to make your Wix website more interactive and accessible for your visitors, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of adding the Facebook Messenger app directly onto your Wix site. By the end of this video, your customers will be able to message you instantly using Facebook Messenger, which is a fantastic way to boost engagement and make support easier than ever. So let's dive in and get your site connected. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website's design dashboard open. This is the main workspace where you edit everything about your site. If you're new to Wix, think of this dashboard as your control center. Everything you add, change, or customize will happen right here. Take a moment to locate the top right corner of your screen, because that's where you'll be heading next. Now, look for the search bar at the very top right of your Wix design dashboard. It's a small but extremely powerful feature that lets you quickly find anything you need, from apps to design elements to help articles. Click into the search bar. You don't need to navigate through endless menus or tabs because this search box is designed to make your life simpler. Once you've clicked into search, type in Facebook Messenger app. Remember, you want it to be precise with your search to avoid getting lost among similar options or plugins. If you see variations, double-check that you're selecting anything associated directly with Facebook Messenger. Typing carefully here saves a lot of time later on. As the search results load up, look for an app option called Facebook. Contact Us. This is the official integration that Wix provides for Facebook Messenger. Go ahead and click on it. Just a note here, there might be other third-party messaging apps or chat options, but Facebook Contact Us is specifically built for connecting your website visitors to you via Facebook Messenger. It's streamlined, widely used, and familiar to most people, so they'll know exactly how to reach you. Once you've selected it, Wix will guide you through a quick installation process. You'll probably see a preview of how the Messenger icon or chat window will look, and you can adjust its placement if you want. Adding this app means that your customers will see a clickable Messenger button right on your website. They can reach out to you instantly, just like sending a message over Facebook. This is a game changer for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone who wants a direct line to their audience. If you think about your own habits, you'll notice how breezy and personal chatting on Messenger feels compared to formal contact forms or emails. Take a moment here to scroll down after installing the app. This brings you to a section where you can view comments and reviews from other users who've tried the same app. It's always smart to scan through these, to see real-world feedback and tips, and maybe spot suggestions or troubleshooting advice that could be helpful. Sometimes reading a quick comment can prevent hours of guesswork later on. And that's really it. Just like that, your Wix site is upgraded with a Facebook Messenger chat feature, streamlining communication between you and your customers. If any part of this setup takes a minute or doesn't seem to work right away, don't worry. Wix and Facebook regularly update their integrations, so a quick refresh or check of the comments section can sort out most issues. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions about adding Messenger or any other Wix features. I read and respond to as many as I can. And if you want more helpful tutorials to transform your website, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.